Hi, how to log into the calling account dialer, Euro calling account dialer, which is called Your Dialer, which we've downloaded now from Google Play Store. This is the login page you can see. As an Easy Dial customer for our Euro calling account, please make sure that in the username you see that it ends with star Easy Dial BV. Now entering the password will allow us access to the dialer. The first page you see is the dial pad. And to make a call to, for example, the UK, you would start with 0044, or in the case of the US, 001, etc. So you need to use the full international dialing code. If you look at the top of the screen on the right, you can see the balance in euros. This is a euro calling account service. The basic currency is euros. On the top left with 3 bars, you have your main menu. And going back to the home page, which is the dial pad, if you look at the bottom and the person icon, which you can see in the middle, this actually gives you all the contacts that you already have on your phone, and you can make a direct call to these contacts by selecting any of these names. So going back to the dial pad, just a quick reminder that if you're making a call internationally, you must use the full dial international dialing code. And to exit from the dialer, you just select the top menus as I said and log out. And if you look at the top right, if you want to log out completely, you have the ability to do so. So that's it. How to make calls using your dialer with the Euro calling account.